Hello everybody. Today I want to show you my process how I modified a Walkman to fit him with CV to have the control of the tape speed. It's a very simple thing. I don't know if I'm doing everything 100% correct, but that's what I do all the time and I really like to make flaws. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the little tutorial. In this case, you will need a cheap Walkman, you will need an audio box 3mm clinker. I put a link under the video. You will need a screwdriver, a soldering iron, you will need a driller, create a little hole to put the plug in. When you have opened your cassette player, you have to look for a little very small potentiometer who's controlling the motor of the Walkman. And yeah, you just have to soldering your two cable to the potentiometer. After you finish the process, you can close the Walkman, plug in your mini cable to your favorite sequencer. I like the SQ1, which I use a lot and I like it a lot. It's really simple, but has all really basic function you want to have in a sequencer. And plug it to the Walkman and put in your favorite cassette. In my case, I use my latest album, which comes out on Ellie Records, which I also really recommend here. In my case, I programmed 8 tones, 8 various CV outputs. Now we have a little listening session. I want to encourage you to experiment with this technique. Maybe you come up with great new results. As I maybe mentioned before, I really enjoy the process of creating this technique, and it always gives you new unheard sounds, and I enjoy that a lot. I hope you enjoy my very broken English. If you have questions, feel free to ask me, leave some comments, or follow me on Patreon. Stay healthy, create art, and peace.